Hey everyone, so this is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This is the 47mm one. This is the bigger one. You see it's like the silver white one here as well. And pop that on off. And we're greeted with the nice beautiful watch here. We'll come back to that in just a second. And then in this one, which is stuck above where the watch was, so we can get this on out of here. Try that one more time on the other end. I know it had paperwork in it. So this is going to be the charger. If we can get it on out of there. Yeah, so that's the charger. See, it's just black, a little kind of silvery, black charging puck. That's kind of stuck up there. Take a look here. This is beautiful. I think it's a leathery band, leather, then you call this the hybrid. So it's like leathery on the front, silicone on the back. That is really, really cool. You can see that is a nice looking watch. I'll put it on my right wrist since my left has my Garmin watch on it. There we go. So this is a good sized watch. You have my Garmin Fenix 6X on the other side. Not as big as the Garmin is, but that is a good size. This is, I think, a 51mm. This is 47, so pretty similar. That is a nice looking watch. Nice looking band too. And these bands are 20mm bands, so they should work with bands off of Amazon. I should have quite a few of them already. So that is awesome. 20mm bands, just like basically most of Samsung's other watches are as well. Yeah, so it's really nice, and it does have this nice quick release button right here, which is so much nicer than trying to fidget with the how it usually is. Kind of got to stick in one side, stick in the other. This is nice. Just kind of push a button, and then it wiggles on and out. Let's see if I can do this. Push it again. You should be able to wiggle it back on in. Just make sure it's on there. And yeah, there we go. So again, just a quick unboxing and quick look here. It is a very nice, very nice looking watch here. Now it has the rotating bezel again, which everybody loves. So, 2 buttons on one side, none on the other. Of course, touchscreen. So, yeah, there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.